Here's a video of the fans that they sell at Walmart. They sell the Mainstains flush mount 42-inch. Very cheap, just for 28 bucks. Got this one over here, Better Home Gardens. Indoor 57 average. Another Better Homes, also $66. Not bad, average. Ooh, I kind of like this one. Better Homes and Gardens for 54 plus tax 55. Got this one, another Mainstains. Yeah, it has to be a Mainstains for 50 bucks. Here's a white one for Walmart. I'd say they sell good fans actually. Not that one right there. This one, I don't think it's the best. Oh, it's light. Yeah, that's light. We got more. Oh, I like that one. Here they are. Oh, they even sell more. They got this one over here. Better Homes and Gardens. I don't know what this thing is. Whatever. Oh, wait. I don't know what exact model name. 1 year. Man. Should work for like 10 years. I have one fan that could be like 20 years old. Got this one over here. Honeywell. So yeah. Nothing way too special for Walmart, but it's actually pretty good for Walmart. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.